The criminal justice system in the United States needs reform as it disproportionately punishes and criminalizes Black and brown communities. However, how does the system fare for crime victims? Is it achieving its purpose of attaining justice for all victims? My name is Mariam El-menshawi, and I'm the Executive Director of the California Victims Resource Center, located at the University of the Pacific McGeorge School of Law. Join me for Week 5 of the Antiracism Challenge as I discuss the historic and current role of victims in the criminal justice system. Learn about some of the many barriers that marginalized victims face as they are seeking justice, including Black and brown victims, victims from immigrant communities, and victims with disabilities. And finally, hear from a restorative justice expert, Kara Hunter, who will join us to discuss some promising restorative justice practices that help address harm in our communities while meeting the needs of both the victim and the accused. I look forward to seeing you on March 9th at noon.